Hey everybody, this is our weight loss yoga. Can you lose weight when you do yoga? Heck yes, and you're gonna find out why. Come join me, I'm Nora Day. Hello everybody, here we are. We're gonna do a little weight loss yoga. So, we're gonna burn it here. Ready? I take my feet pretty wide. Probably about shoulder width apart. Raise my arms up, clasp your hands. Take a little mini stretch before we start. I'm stretching to one side, doing a few pumps. Stable in the legs. Pumping the other way. Just warming up my side body. Come up to center point. Hold your hands behind you. Take a breath into your heart. Blow it out your mouth. One more. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale, breathe it out. Open your arms, inhale. Exhale, release your arms. I'm already moving to the front of my mat, getting ready. Feet are still a little bit apart. They might be a little bit closer together. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, bend the knees, roll it down. We're in a mini squat. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, come on down to that mini squat. Inhale, back up. Some of us moving through to a full squat. Exhale, full squat. Come on back up. And again, exhale, half squat or full. And back up. We're starting to move already. Exhale. Half or full squat. Bring your hands down to the mat. Lift your booty. Take a little hop back. Take a little push up and back. 2 more little push-ups, only halfway. And up. 1 more, halfway. And back up. Come through to your up dog or cobra. I flip my feet. I'm taking 3 pumps back. 1, gentle pumps. 2, keep the elbows straight. 3, and I'm back, downward facing dog, flip the feet. Pick up your heels in downward facing dog. Pump your chest to your thighs, 5 pumps. 1, 2, stay up off those heels, straight elbows. 3, 4, 5. Look forward, look in between your hands, act like you're gonna jump up there, bend the knees. Take a hop. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold in half. Separate your feet. Look forward. Bend the knees, back into that half or full squat. And back on up. Back around. And up. I have 1 more of those. Squat. Hands come to the mat. Bend those knees, lift the booty a little bit, hop it back. 3 little push-ups, 1, 2. This time hold your plank on 3, lift your right leg, 2 pumps right leg. 1, 2, left leg, 1, 2. Again, right leg, 1, 2, left leg, 1, 2. Drop to the knees, flip your feet. Nice cobra, roll it down. Oh, open up your spine. Ooh, that feels good. Roll back up. Maybe open your throat. Roll back down. Tuck the toes. Press straight elbows back up to plank. Downward facing dog. So remember, downward facing dog, you usually need to take that mini step forward. Pick up the heels, 5, chest to the thighs for 1. Straight elbows, straight legs, 2. Strong legs, strong arms. I have 2 more pumps. 1, 2. Bend the knees, look in between your hands. Take a hop up. Inhale, look forward. I'm already separating my feet. Come into my little squat. So we have the little routine going on, right? And raise it back up. 3 of these. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Lift the booty up a little bit. Hands come down. Hop it back. 3 push-ups. 1, 2, 3. Right leg lifts for 2 pumps. 1 straight leg. Left leg. 1, 2. One more time. Right. 1, 2. Left. 1, 2. Drop the knees. Flip the feet. Roll it down. Roll it up. Stay focused. Stay right here with me. Open the throat. Roll it down. Tuck your toes. Strong legs. Press straight up back. Plank. Downward facing dog. So now we're going to stretch a little bit. Walk that left foot a teeny bit to center. I wiggle it over. Boom, I'm on center point, right on my center line. Lift the right leg. Keep that right leg parallel. So I'm not turning out the right leg. So I'm thinking my right thigh faces the floor, faces the earth. Flex the back foot. 5 pumps up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right knee to your nose. And back. Pump. 1, 2, 3. Strong arms. 5. Knee to nose. One more. Pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee to nose. Look to your right hand. Step towards your right hand. You're on your fingertips looking straight ahead. Both hands to your right knee. We're coming up to an easy high lunge. Arms come up. Clasp those hands like we did in the beginning. Arms clasp up, straight elbows. Tap the back knee. Lift. Reach your arms forward and back. Forward and up. Clasp the hands up. Tap the left knee. Up. Reach forward and back. One more. Clasp the hands up. Left knee taps. Reach arms forward and up and back. We have to finish the cycle. Reach both arms forward. You're doing great. Stay with me. Drag that right foot back. Right foot up to the sky. Right foot lowers to the earth. Have a nice long plank. Half push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open the throat if you can. Breathe through your heart. Downward facing dog. Sneak that right foot to center point. Right foot is on my center line. Lift your left leg. Take a moment to notice that your left leg is not in turnout. Left hip is square to the body. Flex your left foot. 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left knee to your nose. Left leg up and back. Flex. 1, up, up. 4, 5. Left knee to your nose. One more. Left leg up and back. Flex and up. 2, 3. Keep going. 5. Left knee to your nose. As you look at your left hand, you're stepping towards your left hand. Be solid in those feet. And as I come up, I take both hands to the left knee. So I'm really stabilizing in the body here. Reach your arms up, clasp the hands up, palms face up to the sky. Drop the back knee. Lift up, reach your arms forward and back. Come through, clasp your hands, hands up, drop the right knee, lift up, reach forward and back. One more. Clasp the hands up, drop the right knee. We're so strong. Aren't we all so strong? Reach forward and back. Come on up. Finish the cycle. Arms up. Reach the arms forward Straighten the left knee because you want to be flexible and strong. Right heel is up. As I drag that left foot back, it keeps going up, up, up. I allow myself turn out. I want the length, the strength. Left leg comes down. Super long plank. Abs and core hold the whole thing in. Half push-up. Upward facing dog. Breathe through the heart. Downward facing dog. Fantastic. Keep it going. Keep the momentum. I have to take that mini step forward in downward facing dog. This time pick up off the heels. Press your chest through. 5 pumps. 4. Nice shoulder opener. 3. 2. 1. We're going for 5 bonus, people. Here we go. 1. 2. Strong legs, strong arms. 3. 4. 5. Look in between your hands. Bend the knees. Take a little hop forward. Open your feet now. Bend the knees, look forward. Come and sit on your bum for a minute. We're going to have a little seat. Lift the feet off the mat. I have a balance here, right? So I'm not toppling forward, not toppling back. I'm balancing. Raise your arms up. Reach your legs forward and up. I can tap my toes and bring them back up. 2 more. Tap my toes, bring it back up. Come on down to my elbows. I'm going to already come all the way on my back. Bring the knees to your chest. Lift your legs up. Straight legs. Hands behind my head. Left hand reaches to the right, and I switch. So it's like a mini twist in my top body. Legs stay straight and strong on the top. Switching side to side. Ha. 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 So I'm using my arms to point. Straight elbow, point. Straight elbow, point. Straight legs, point. Ha. Keep going. Go. Go. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees. I'm going to roll to the side. Press it on up. Come back around. If you can, your feet are in that squat position, same place where we started, balancing. Bring your feet flat. Reach your arms forward, look forward, lean forward. Don't use your hands. Use your abs. Use your abs. Take a few rocks. Use your abs. Use your abs. Your butt comes forward and up. Fold forward. Ha. Bend the knees. Roll the body up. Exhale, release the arms. Make sure your feet are about hip width apart, maybe a little wider. Inhale the arms up. Bend the knees. Come to your squat. Ha. Come on back up. We're doing 3 of these. Here's 2. And I do 1 more. Ha. Come on down. Reach the hands forward on your mat. Take a little hop up and back. And I take my half push-up. And 2 more. Only halfway. Don't sacrifice your shoulders for these push-ups. Only halfway. Tops of the feet. Upward facing dog. Ah. It's like a breathe of freedom in the heart. Downward facing dog. I'm moving through this time. Left foot is in center point on the line. Right leg comes up. Right knee to my nose. Bring it on through. Right hand to right foot. This time we take the left hand down on the inside edge of the front foot. Raise the right arm. Take your right hand behind your head, just like your sit-up. Exhale. Tap the right elbow. Inhale, open it up. Use your breath. I want to hear that exhale. Tap. Inhale back up. Exhale, tap. Inhale, back up. 2 more. Exhale, tap. Inhale, up. Last one. Tap. Inhale, back up. Raise the right arm up to the sky. Circle it back. Behind you, look down. Both hands come down. Drag the right foot up and back. Nice long length. Right foot comes down. Coming back through. Half push up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We got it. We got it. Here we go. Right foot center point. Here we go. Left leg up, 1 time through. Left knee to your nose. I bring it on through. Step left foot, left hand. Coming back with that right hand, this time to center point. Left arm is up. Left hand behind my head like my sit-up. Exhale, tap. Inhale up. Again, I want to hear that exhale. Exhale. Inhale. I have 3 more and I'm just going to do it. Exhale. And up. Exhale. And up. Exhale. And up. Doing 1 more. Here we go. Tap. And up. Left hand up to the sky. Left hand behind you. Circle your head around. Circle your left arm around to look down. Drag your left foot up and back for a nice big stretch. Right heel is up. Left leg is up in the sky. Lengthen, extension. Left foot comes down. Super long plank. We're going to hold our plank. Lift that right leg. 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right foot down, lift your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going for 1 more. Come on, come on. Right leg. 1, 2, pump, pump, pump. Right leg down. Last time. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to your knees. Lean it back. Sit back in child's pose. Come on forward, lay on your stomach, roll it down nice in your spine. Roll it back up, nice in your spine. Roll it down. Here we go. Press up, back, downward facing dog. In downward facing dog, I take that mini step forward with my feet and I walk my hands back. Walk your hands back to your feet. Drag your hands side to side on your mat. So you release the low back, release your arms. Come to center point. Bend the knees. Roll the body up. Open your throat. Look forward. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, release. Turn towards me. Feet are about shoulder width apart. Same way we started. Clasp the hands up and above. Couple pumps to one side. Couple pumps to the other side. Solid legs. Pump, pump, pump. 1 more time each side. Pump, pump, pump. Last time. Come to center point. Release your arms. Shake it out, shake it out. Shake your legs out. Shake your arms out. Whoo! You should feel energized. You should feel like you have strength. You have length. You have confidence. Yes, yoga's no joke. So thank you for doing this weight loss yoga with me. We're going to see you next time.